Hello, students. Welcome back. How are you today? I hope you're all fine. So, our topic for today is all about sound and pitch. Again, sound and pitch. So, before we will start, let's read our vocabulary words first. I want you to listen and repeat after me. Say sound, frequency, decibel, pitch, vibrates. Okay. So what is sound? Sound is a form of energy caused by vibrations. Okay, caused by vibrations. So sound also travels in invisible waves. When we say invisible, we cannot see. So sound can travel through solids, liquids, and gas. Okay, your alarm clock has sound. Okay, so next one is pitch. What is pitch? Pitch is how low or high a sound is. Okay, again, pitch is how low or high a sound is. So the first picture, you can see a low pitch. Okay, so the waves are far from each other. So when things vibrate slowly, they make a low sound. Okay, again, when things vibrate slowly, they make a low sound. For example, okay, so that is an example of low pitch. High pitch, the second picture is high pitch. Look at the waves. They are near from each other. So when things vibrate quickly, they make a high pitch sound. Okay, vibrate quickly, high pitch sound. For example, okay, so that is an example of high pitch. When a longer piano string vibrates, it vibrates more slowly and creates a low pitch. Okay, so look at the waves. Again, longer piano string vibrates, creates a low pitch. Okay, so when a shorter piano string vibrates, it vibrates faster and creates a higher pitch. Okay, so look at the waves. It is higher and the waves are near from each other. Okay, so again, shorter piano string vibrates, creates higher pitch. Longer piano string vibrates, it creates a low pitch. Okay, so example of pitch is okay, so that is an example of pitch. Next one is loudness. So loudness is characterized by high volume and intensity. Again, high volume and intensity. So look at the screen. You can see a purple and yellow wave. Okay, so again, yellow and purple wave. The loud sound wave, that is purple line. Okay, and the soft sound wave, that is yellow line. Okay, again, purple is loud sound and yellow is soft sound. The unit of sound is decibel, or small letter D and big letter B, decibel. So loud and unpleasant sound is called noise. Again, loud and unpleasant sound is called noise. Unpleasant sound which is not good in our ear. Okay, so look at the first picture. When you mix all the high and low pitches, this is the result. Okay, the second one with both soft and loud tones. Please listen. And the last ones, mix in just right away. Okay, so the sound is a beautiful way to communicate. Please listen. Okay, so you can create a beautiful sound. Okay, if the softness and the loudness are well mixed. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you learned something from our lesson. Thank you and goodbye.